It was amazing this morning, day 2 of ASH, talking about CAR T, and we had 3 presenters showing their research over the past couple of years. And obviously we weren't even talking about CAR T 2 years ago. This is massive here at ASH. And what was great for me as a patient was to see how far we've come in these trials. They're now treating significant numbers of patients, and we heard from 3 lead investigators on trials. It was Sar Gill from the University of Pennsylvania, Dr. Gauthier from Fred Hutch, and finally from Tanya Siddiqui from the City of Hope Hospital. And her trial in particular was very interesting. She treated 18 patients with the Juno product, and 16 of them achieved complete remission. They didn't have any adverse events, number 5, which is always code for sadly for a patient dying. So they had minor, manageable cytokine release syndrome, which is one of the toxic side effects with CAR T. But the safety profile of her trial looked really good. And for me as a patient who may one day need CAR T, that was just wonderful to see. And the fact that they're achieving undetectable MRD in so many patients within, I think it's only a 6-month follow-up at the moment, so the thing will be how long are these responses going to remain durable. But this could be a cure. And it's very exciting to hear a lead investigator telling you about that at such an early stage. The other 2 trials, very interesting as well, using different CAR T products. The Novartis product, and not sure what the other one was, but there's so many CAR T products out there now. Someone told me that 150 have been licensed so far, and they're all sort of chasing FDA approval. But for us as patients, if we can get this very, very intense treatment, it's about as, I've spoken to someone who's had it, and it's about as scary as you can get in terms of that week where you're in hospital after the infusion. There's neurological issues, you're delirious, it's a really intense treatment. But if it's only a week and then you can get a long-lasting, stable remission, I think this is incredibly exciting and something that we're all going to be looking at every conference going forward.